Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we are starting to create chat application in Node.js with MongoDB Database. And in this part, we will make Node server, and then after, we will connect Node application to cloud-based MongoDB Database. Now let's start it to create Node server, so we have opened our working directory under Visual Studio Editor. And under this, we have goes to terminal windows, and here we will write command for download Express framework. So here, we have run command like npm install Express, so it will download Express framework under this directory. Now here, we have create one server.js file. And under this file, we have to import Express framework, so here, we have to write constant express variable is equal to require method, and under argument, we have to write express. So it will import Express framework under this file, and next we want to include Mongoose library. So here, we have to write constant Mongoose variable is equal to require method, and under argument, we have to write Mongoose library name, so it will include Mongoose library under this file. Now we have to write constant app variable is equal to express method, so here, we have create an object of Express framework. After this, we have to write port variable is equal to 3000, so this code assigns the value 3000 to the variable port. After this, we have to write app.use function, and under this function, we have to write express.json function. So this code utilizes the express.json function, so this middleware will pass JSON bodies. After this, again we have to write app.use method, and under this method, we have to write express.static method, and under this method, we have to write directory name global variable. So this code will tells Express framework to serve static files from the directory where current scripts resides. Next for pass data bodies, so here, again we have to write app.use method. And under this, we have to write express.url encoded method, and under this method, we have to write extended key with true value, so this code will pass data bodies. And next for test server is working or not, so here we have to write app.listen method. And under this method, we have to write two parameter like port variable and callback function. Under this function, we have to write console.log method, and under this method, we have to write chat application run on port number with port variable, so this message will be displayed under console window. Now for check our server is working or not, so here in terminal window, we have to write node server.js command, so after run this command, here we can see that chat application run on port number 3000, so here our server is ready. Now for make MongoDB database connection, so we have goes to mongodb.com website. And under this video description, we have put link of how to create MongoDB database, so if you have not seen video, so first see that video, and under that video, we have step-by-step discuss how to create MongoDB database in cloud. So, if you have not know how to create MongoDB database in cloud, then you have to watch that video. Now we have login under this website by entering login details. And after this, we have click on submit button, and here we can see that we have login into this website. And under this, we have already create MongoDB database, and now we want to connect with database. So for this, we have click on connect button, and after click on connect button, so here, we can see that modal dialog has been pop up on web page. And here, we have to click on drivers, and here we can show that we have moved to next part. And here, we can see that MongoDB connection string, so here, we have copied this string. And under this string, we have to add user password for connect node application with MongoDB database. Now we have goes to text editor and goes to server.js file. And here, we have to write mongoose.connect method, and under this method, we have paste MongoDB database connection string, and under this string, we have also paste Mongo database user password, so here, our connection string is ready for connect to MongoDB database. After this, we have to write connect variable is equal to mongoose.connection, so it will try connect with MongoDB database. Now we want to check our node application is connect with MongoDB database or not. So for this, here we have to write connect.on method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write error, and in second parameter, we have to write console.error.bind method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write console, and in second parameter, we have to write error message like MongoDB connection error, so this message will be display MongoDB database connection error. After this, we have write connect.once method with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write open, and in second parameter, we have to write callback function. Under this function, we have to write console.log method, and under this method, we have to write success message like connected to MongoDB. So this message will be displayed when our node application has been connected with MongoDB database. Now we want to check that our node application has been connected with MongoDB database or not. So we have goes to terminal, and here we have to write node server.js command. So after run this command, here we can see that our node application has been connected with MongoDB database. So in this part, we have learned how to set up node server, and after this, we have connect our node application to MongoDB database. And in next part, we will start it to create register form, so we will be meet in next part.